to Richard's Vlogs. Adventures, laughter, and everything in between. Yeah, we're chasing down the moments that you've never seen. So hit that subscribe, come along for the ride. Join me on another vlog.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically I'm just walking along Lower Granton Road and just to also note that if the Buy Me a Coffee is in the bio, and thank you to Aaron who donated £1. I didn't realise they take off money off that app, so so I thought we'd get out and just do a wee video. Forecast says it's meant to rain, so I am a bit annoyed that there's a chip on this camera, but hopefully it doesn't rain, guys, because I'm going to probably have to put this away. So support finished at 8, so thought I'd come out and do a video. Now, just to point out, I know it's totally your choice if you want to unsubscribe to my channel, but subscribe or don't subscribe is what I would say. But so it's currently 8:25. But I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film because it is just starting to rain, so if it gets heavy I might have to stop the video, but yeah. So I haven't managed to get out to do a walk and talk because of my mental health, and also it's been raining quite a lot. My dad was meant to get home on Tuesday, but is staying in for another week, and sorry about that cut on my chin. I'm not sure how far I'm going to be able to get it, guys, because hey Siri, when will it stop raining? So it says 85% rain, but then tomorrow it's not going to rain, so I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do a video for. I might have to stop it and do it tomorrow. Yes, it's starting to